good morning. Good morning. All right, I need to get set up. I'm super late today. It's already 9:26. Good morning. It's Tuesday, November 29th. Super late, 9:26. There were way too many questions and fires to put out this morning. All right, let me get TikTok up and going. And I didn't have a few of my setups up yet, so I had to do that as well. All right, now we're up and running. Let me take this piece of paper out of here so it's not making noise. And I have my tea, so that's good. I feel like this live box looks so, I don't know. I don't want to forget about this. All right. So yesterday was amazing. Let's go over that before the market opens because yesterday was great. Oil's having a hard time today, but we'll talk about yesterday for oil, ES, and NQ on the automated algorithm. And then we will get into today. So, all right, good morning, good morning. All right, let's... All right, so let's talk about yesterday. I'm going to minimize this for a second. So this is the NQ scalper. This is the one that's 88% on the entire year. We had one trade yesterday, right around 1:30, left the range, hit both targets pretty much simultaneously. And then this is ES range. This one has been, ES and NQ have been 100% for the past 2-3 weeks. It's crazy. So this was yesterday. Each of these makes $375, and this is just with one contract. So this trade got short here, pulled up, and then hit target. This one got short here and went right to target. So this made $750 yesterday on these two trades with one contract. And then oil right here was 2 for 2 on the blue range. It got long here, hit target after a while. It took a while. And then this one got long and it hit target right away. So 400 and 400. This was actually on the live stream yesterday. Oh, I think this was actually break even for 100. And then this was 300. So it was 400 total. So 400 on oil yesterday. ES was 750. And then range was $550. Again, all of these are with one contract except for NQ has 2 contracts because it has 2 targets. All right, now let's get into today. Let's look at the chop zone. So this is the chop zone, the area that I give my members every single day. It's a proprietary zone. Let's look at it and kind of break it down. So it's, how big is it today? 674. So it's only about 55 points wide today, so not too wide. We already left it. So this is the part that can help people that are in my group versus people on the live stream. So we were at the chop zone, the bottom of the chop zone today at 8 a.m. and then we left it right away. So, and these are 20-minute candles. So this gives you a lot of time to kind of see what's going on and then think about taking the trade. It's 9:30, the market's open. I'm going to turn on the fast so we can see that. Nice job, Top Gun. So what I'm saying is we left the zone already, but if you were in the group, you would have had this information and you could have gotten short right here at the bottom at 11,674. And right now we dropped down to 600. So that's 75 points. That's $1,500 in one trade. Like, that's a huge move. So,
order submitted.
We are in on the fast, I'm assuming. I'm going to pull that up so you guys can see that. If you have any questions, let me know. I go live every day from, oop, that's not that one. There we go. From 9:15 to 10:30. Today I was a little late. Sorry about that, guys. We'll watch the fast for a little bit, see what it does the first few minutes, and go from there.
Order canceled.
All right, so that was a loss. Where for $80. We'll see if it picks up another trade here, just so we can get this. And then I have all the other ones off to the side, so we might even get in a trade of the other scalpers. Whoa, look at this drop. Somebody's car alarm is going off. This was a nice touch of this level. If you got this drop, look how beautiful that is from the chop
Order
zone
submitted.
in the group. Congrats. Like, that's amazing. All right, it's in this long now. Again, if this goes green, $200, then the stop loss will move itself up. Thank you, Justin. Very helpful. All right, this long is at 130, 140, 160, 180. You'll see that purple line move on its own. From there it goes, from there to there. Green to 50 on this long. Again, the first trade was a loss for $80, so I'll see. Good morning, good morning. All right, 300 on this. Again, this is the trailing stop loss. The thin green line is the trailing stop loss. It will take you out of the trade instead of having to use this hard stop. But if it pulls back really quickly, then it might hit the hard stop. But this is the trail. If these both turn red and it closes below, then it will close the trade. See how the candle hasn't closed yet, so it's still kind of developing. Even though this one is red, this one is still green. So therefore, it's going to continue the long trade. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen, send some likes, share it
canceled.
with a friend if you want. All right, so now we're green, $30 on this. Obviously, you could have moved that purple stop loss up more if you wanted to say, I just want to lock it in. Hey, Lauren, sent the subscription. Day Martins. Perfect. My admin will get you all set up. I am going to be live until 10:30, but thank you and sounds good. Leah.
Order submitted.
All right, perfect. Let me see. All right, we're in another long here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see it.
Order filled.
Damon, I don't see it unless you just did it and my admin already... I didn't see it come through, so I don't know. So if you click the link on that was sent to you, then you'll be added to the group. No worries at all. This is not a stock. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. YM is in a long. Yeah, but Resno, that's what happens. It's literally down $100 right now. It's not a big deal. Like, if you can't handle losses, then you definitely shouldn't be trading. But this is the fast. This one is literally titled the fast, so it moves very fast. Yeah, we already know that. Don't worry. Listen, we've been short since 11,675. This is my chop zone. Don't worry. The fast is just to have something entertaining to watch at the open. We're not actually trading that. But thanks, Resno. Don't worry. We've been short since here at 8 a.m.
Order submitted.
It's in the fast is in a long now. Thanks for the follows. I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30 if you're new here. Already got out of that. So fast is still red, $90 on the morning. Still not bad. Thanks, Carter. You're the best. See, we bounced off of this old level. I haven't moved this in a while. 11,592. Oh, I have to pull those up later and post them. Yes, thank you, Ramez. If you appreciate the information of the stream, please hit the like button or tap your screen if you're on TikTok. Just tap, tap, tap. Share it with a friend if you think someone else might like this. Oh, there was someone on the stream yesterday, and he said he was going to reach out to me, and he never did. Okay, why is he posting it here?
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
This is NinjaTrader. Not much happening. NQ conservative is not in a trade. ES, YM, RTY are not in trades. Fast is going crazy. I'm still waiting. What are you waiting on, Bets? Does NinjaTrader need something else from you? We were 100% yesterday. We made NQ range, made 550. ES range made 750. And I posted all these results in my story last night, as well as I think I made a post about it. And oil was 2 for 2 for 400. But oil is still on simulation. I'm just testing it. Look at this bounce off this old pivot. Why, I'm just trying to take another long here. Oh my gosh, Vivi pulled over to trade the short and she made $900. She is so funny. Good job, Vivi. She's one of my students, the digital mentorship. She's been killing it just like Andy and Jen and Kenny. I wonder where Kenny's been. Maybe he's on vacation. I haven't heard from him in a few days. I'll have to reach out. The digital mentorship is a one-time $1,000 payment. $1,000 one-time payment. Does that make sense? And it includes 14 one-hour videos, as well as you get 1 free month in the group with everyone else, as well as access to the private student channel. YM is in this long again. It tried it before and it failed. Now it's trying it again. No, it does not work on MetaTrader. The first few minutes can be kind of crazy because see how fast is actually trying to trend a bit. We'll see. It does not work on MetaTrader. It works on NinjaTrader, but it can work, I'm pretty sure, with your MetaTrader broker. I've been getting that question a lot lately. Not sure. I should reach out to NinjaTrader and ask them. Hey, Alex. Alex has been killing it too. Well, Alex, well, yeah, but you broke your iPad, so you couldn't trade yesterday or today. Why do my feet always fall asleep? Must be a lot going on today. A lot of things are having a hard time. What's going on in the market today? Ho, 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 ho. So this yellow line is the LIS that's also given to my group. It's a proprietary level before the day starts. So they're given this yellow line and then this gray box up here. Thanks for the likes, guys, on YouTube and on TikTok. Yeah, so if you email me, I can send you all of the information, and then it gets you set up. Hi, Mo. Mo, I was cheering for you to win yesterday. Is that rude? I was cheering for you to win the giveaway. Nice job. Sheldon already made $700 manually trading. He's also one of my students. Now to the rest of the lifting. That's so true. Yeah, you can turn it off or on, but setting up, you definitely need more than just the phone. Look at this. This is beautiful. I wonder if the 5 would have been in this. Let me see. Oh, Mo, soon enough. You're slowly but surely building up. I got to get you to take more contracts. Yesterday I was like, wait, why is that P&L so small? Well, I'm actually going to do a 20 Days of Christmas giveaway only for my members. I think. Well, I don't know. Maybe I could open it to the public too. We'll see. We're going to do gift cards. We're going to do the digital mentorship. We'll do a free month of the Algo. So you have to be subscribed. You have to like stuff, just kind of staying constant. But I will be posting it as we get closer to December, which is in 2 days. So Thursday we'll do our first giveaway. Yeah, Thursday and Friday. And then there's 3 full weeks after that. So it's 17 days, technically, of Christmas. Yep. You see that? And that's exactly what it did on the chop zone too. The chop zone, it went up and it freaking flushed right to the LIS. It pulled up, it flushed. It pulled up, it flushed. Like, this is exactly what I teach in my mentorship, and this is why my students are posting $1,000, $700, $2,000 wins, because they're doing what I taught them just in this little bit of time. It's been like an hour and a half since this setup has been created. Good morning, Miguel. You can run anything. For someone who travels, it's fine. You turn it on at night, and then it turns itself off. So all you have to do is be able to turn it on, essentially. RTY's in a long... I'm not sure why RTY and YM are really trying to do this long thing. Yeah, I use my iPad all the time. Like yesterday when I was out, I was checking trades. And you don't have to check anything. Like, it's fully automated. It's going to trade for you. So if you want to check on it, yes, you can use your phone or your iPad to check on it. But all you are obligated to do every night is to turn it on. And all you have to do is just push a button. So I wonder if... Like, I'll show you. So if it looks like this, you come and it's turned off, and then you just turn it on like this, and that's it. You have to do that every night. You can do it in the morning, but I do it at night so that I don't have to rush in the morning and possibly forget something. Yeah, it's just an on, it's just a turn on, and then it turns itself off. Who lost their teeth? I'm not sure what's going on. Hi, Bob. No, I was typing on my keyboard. I think that's what you're talking about. I don't know if that's teeth. It depends on the day. I love chart VPS. Dave Martinez. I thought you said you pushed you. Are you Damon? I can't figure out who you are. You said you joined, but I'm like trying to figure out who you are. Like who? What? Maybe. You probably did, and my admin probably got you set up, and I just have missed you. Oh, speaking of, I need to tell her. Alright, I promise I'm done typing. What does the bot do exactly? It sells and it buys. That's what it does. And then it takes profit. Or it hits stop loss. RTY's green 100 on this long. I could pull that into the screen so you guys can see it. Not sure I love this here, but this is the RTY. This is the first RTY trade on the day. And then I have to update the results on Scalper for yesterday in the sheet, guys. So don't worry, I'll be doing that. Didn't I say I wasn't going to type anymore? Now I'm typing again. Yeah, I made $1,300 yesterday on 3 trades. So I paid $12 in fees, and I made $1,300. Pretty good. Today's not very exciting. There's not a lot going on. Is there a report coming out? Like, the market dropped, and now we're just kind of like, this seems like it's the afternoon. I'm not sure. Does anyone else feel weird about this? Like, are we waiting on something? Because it's coded to get in and out where I tell it to. That's how it knows. Yeah, but isn't that normal, Jen? I don't know. It just seems even slower than normal. Like, I had fast on it. It wasn't even taking very many trades. It's just weird. Thanks, Kev. Yeah, Jen said the same thing, but I don't think it's that. I don't know. This is like oddly slow. Maybe you guys are right. We'll see. So that report comes out in 7 minutes. We'll see if the scalper on RTY knows what's up. Sometimes I feel like scalper knows secrets or information that we don't know. Because I guess if that report's good, this could run up. And that's what YM's been trying to do. YM's been trying to get short for the past half an hour, but it hasn't been able to. I mean long. I don't know why I said short. It's been trying to get long. I think it works with the broker on Meta, but it doesn't work on the Meta platform. You have to be on the NinjaTrader platform. If you want more info, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. But it works with interactive brokers. It works with funded programs like Apex or UProfit or Lilu. Definitely futures. Like options, you can make money, but you're also risking a lot. With futures, you don't, or forex, you don't have to risk that much. But I like futures over forex because you don't have to pay for that slippage. All right, it's 9:56. Kind of a boring day. Hefe, I don't trade pairs. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market, just NQ. Just NQ. Look at that. This is the chop zone. This is given to my members every day at 8 a.m. All they had to do was take the short at the bottom of the chop zone right here at 11,674. And they would now be in profit more than 100 points. Over $2,000 in profit. All right. Yes, you have to pay for the VPS. The VPS, they take their payments through PayPal. That's very normal. Just like when you click on my link, it takes you right to PayPal because that's very normal. All right, 2 minutes to the report, and RTY is green 105. Yes, so that's very normal. That's just how that's their payment system that they use. There is no slippage. That's the difference, Tyler. There's no slippage in futures like there is in forex. Forex, you have slippage because they make money off of your slippage. That's not the case in futures. In futures, you pay a flat fee regardless. Every trade you take costs like $3 to $4, depending if you're doing a micro or a mini. All right, so RTY is guaranteed green now. Yeah, but not like that. I think he's asking like, yeah, there might be like 2 tick slippage, not like 5 points. You know, if you don't know the difference between futures and forex, that's the biggest difference. Yeah, so in general, it's like 1 or 2 ticks. Like in our group, I have 172 people in my group, and in my group, so what we do, and I can show you. So we have a chat. So this is the chat. And in the chat every day, so there's a new thread every day. So every day we're posting and we say when we get in a trade and we're like, oh, well, when did you get in? What was your price? And then everyone compares their price and we're all around the same price. Is this today? I want to show you. So I'm going to scroll up. This was yesterday's. And I'll show you when everyone was like, oh, I got in at ES. This is, look, ES, what the price was, all that stuff. So we talk about this every day. Like, oh, look, 3966.75 for me. And then people are giving theirs 3977. So he was literally 1 tick off. You see this guy, Joseph, 396675, 3997. This is 1 tick difference in price. So I don't consider that real slippage. Like that is just, you know, you're getting filled and it's 1 tick. So that should answer your question, Tyler. Oh, look at this push here. That offset was too close. Yeah, but in forex, it's like 5-10 points of slippage. Like it's ridiculous because that's how they make their money. So, big difference. All right, so RTY made $75, which is fine, but that report came out, it kind of helped a little bit. Let's go back to the 20-minute chart. Again, this is just really slow action. Really slow. Kind of boring. And I might just leave. I would say so, but if you want to use an auto trading system, you have to have NinjaTrader. Like there's no other option. Ooh, I like this short here. Yeah, NinjaTrader is great. And then if you want to do a automated system in the future, then you could, because you would already have NinjaTrader. Look at that short at 91. Look at, this is one of my red levels. Oh, is that 43? Oh my gosh, that 43 has been haunting us. So this is the LAS. So you go short at the chop zone, right? You get out, whatever. Then you wait, pulls back to this 11,643 right here, this red level. Short. You could have even done it here if you were already out. If you were already out of this short, I would have taken it here too. Short. It bounces off the LAS, goes back to the 43, short. It finally breaks through the LAS, goes right to this pivot. I don't know if I would have taken this, probably not. But it pulls back to the LAS. I am 100% shorting right here. And now we're staying under this pivot. It pulls back up to this 91. I'm taking this short too. Like, y'all, this is what I teach in my mentorship. How to get in a trade, where to get out. Even though I use brackets every time anyway, so it doesn't really matter about the getting out process. Really about just getting in the right area. So you don't have to. Some people do that. People are saying that Apex was having some huge sales, so people were doing it. I don't mind Lilu. I've never used one. I think I did a Lilu for fun one time. That was like a million years ago. But I don't know. People in my group seem to really like Apex or UProfit over any other ones. So I would look into those if I were you. Sheldon, did you get that short from 91? Oh, I love it. Yep, sure thing. I have a video on Lilu on my YouTube, which is BoldBot, if you want to check it out. But yeah, if not, that's fine too. All right, so we're not in any trades right now. Possibly. Possibly. Thanks for the 32 likes, guys. I appreciate it. Tyler, make sure you tap that screen and send some likes. Please and thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Top Gun. Yeah, tap, 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 tap. Definitely not. So Foxy. People love to do that though. Just have fun and be like, oh. Hey, good morning. Hey, Greg. Nice job. No worries. Good job. Proud of you. Greg is also a student of mine. Yeah. I can pull it up yesterday and just show you. So this is today, but yesterday, look, Henderson has a small account. He made $268. Bob has a bigger account. Shane made $55. He had very small sizing. Sanjay made $205. Sean made $392. Danny made $201. John made $130. That was like one of his first days. So yeah, I'm skipping over the bigger accounts. The smaller accounts is what I'm showing you. Ted is starting small, $375. He only had one trade. Charlie, $174. Will, $260. So yeah, these are the ones I'm showing you are all smaller accounts. Bill, $61. I think that's it. Everybody else is bigger. Oh, Amber made $245. She has a smaller account. She's trading small. Jawan made $150. Greg had this one small trade for $50. That might have been a manual trade. So yeah. So you can see. So anyone in my group has at least $3,000. $3,000 is a small account in my book. Kenny took an overnight trade for $13,000. Good job, Kenny. R does mini or micros account. What does that mean, Miguel? What is that? Were you awake yet? You gotta have your coffee. Yep. When you guys email for information, we respond right away. So you're not going to have to be looking for something or trying to find it. It will be right in your email. Not really what? Is that English? Probably not that possible. Like, that's stretching it. If you have a $3,000 account and you expect to make $1,000 in a week, like, you know, come on. Let's be a little more realistic. Let's say like $500 in a week. Oh, yeah. You need to check there sometimes. Hello, does the bot trade for you? No, it's fully automated. It trades for you. It does everything for you. Gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It moves your stop loss. All that. That's cool. Yeah, you can sign up. Just email me. All you need is $100 a day. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. With a small account that covers all your fees and you get an extra $1,000 in your pocket. So, who was on YouTube that said we were going to go... Thanks, Debbie. That we were going to pull back to the LIS. We weren't able to get all the way there, but we went to this blue level that I have, which is 610. I'm glad. Most people say they hate the typing because they think it's super annoying. We're about to be back under that 91 level. Y'all, this is perfect. Look at this beautiful stuff. Oops. Look at this beautiful stuff. I need to take a picture for my students. Like, there was just opportunities all morning. I know a lot of them got this. Oh, I need to change this. Custom. Do, 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 do. Sorry, I have to ask. This one join your trading platform. So this is not my trading platform. This is NinjaTrader. But yes, you have to use NinjaTrader to use my algorithm. No, Miami, I'm not. You guys hear it more because you're sitting on top of my keyboard, whereas the people on YouTube are a little further away because of the microphone. Listen, I try not to type as much as possible, but I just had to show my students this. We've got this NQ short. Yeah, Suncat. Perfect. So, DeMartins, it's going to take about 4 to 6 hours for the VPS to get set up. Does the lifetime lease come with the monthly payment? No, absolutely not. You have to either purchase the lease, which is $70 a month from NinjaTrader, or you can purchase the lifetime yourself. Killing, we're trading the futures market with an automated algorithm, or robot, as we like to call it. Okay, I've done this before to only find traders drop the account, I guess. 25K, I don't know what that means. So you don't need 25,000 to get to trade futures. There's no PDT rule in futures. I have no idea what that means. The lifetime license is $1,000, but if you're part of my group, you get a refund for $100, so then it makes it $900. And then you get access to NinjaTrader for life, and you get the lowest fees and commissions. So it just depends. It all depends on if you're trading micros or minis. So the stop loss, I guess it's around, if you're taking, so a $200 stop on a $10,000 account, or if you do like a $20 stop on a $3,000 account. It all just depends on your sizing. Her YouTube channel has great info. Thanks, Detroit. Yeah, bold bot, 2 words. I go live every single day, so all of my live streams, if you want to go back and watch them, are on YouTube. Her fingers move faster than my brain. I think the typing is cool. My job as a typist. You were a typist? What? A trader was trading a 10K account, took it to 25, then dropped it for broker's commissions. What? That doesn't make any sense. TJ, I have no idea what you're talking about. I pay the same commissions regardless. So every time I take a trade, regardless if I have a $1,000 account or a $100,000 account, I pay $4 for every trade. Debbie, it's so true. I don't remember that, but ASDF J. Oh, just like getting your finger centered in the middle row. Yeah. Typing class was awesome. I didn't enjoy it when I was doing it because I would rather be like talking to boys, but I totally appreciate it now. What you mean is that a trader got greedy and overexposed themselves? Yeah, I don't know what TEJ is saying. It makes absolutely no sense. No, he's saying dropped it for brokers' commissions. I don't even know what that means. My broker commission is $4 every time I take a trade. This is not forex. There's no slippage. I think they're talking about something about like slippage on the forex program. I'm trading futures where you pay a set fee for every trade. That's it. It doesn't matter what size account you have. You take one contract, you pay $3. You take two contracts, you pay $6. Like that. NinjaTrader. And this is all in the informational email that I send you if you email me. So right here, NinjaTrader. They've been around for forever. I really like them. And they have recently acquired Tradeovate, and I love Tradeovate, so. Or maybe they talk about the spread on a different. Yeah, but there's no spread. That's the thing. Like, I don't know what he's talking about. No, he was saying the account size of the person he was following went from 25,000 to 10,000 because of some type of broker commission. That's what I mean. Yes, I paid $1,000 to use their platform. I have the lifetime license. They don't give me any benefits, which is crazy because I bring them a lot of business. They don't give me any benefits, honestly. I pay the same fee that everybody else pays. I paid for the platform, all that. And then you guys get $100 back if you do the lifetime. I don't get any of that. Like, they don't give me like a portion of anything. So, but it's the only platform that works for my algo. So, what's better about NinjaTrader and TOS? I don't know what the question is. Yeah, you cannot be in a trade at 5 p.m. NinjaTrader will liquidate you as early as 4:45. So we have the algorithm the NinjaTrader platform in general can set you up where all of your trades are disabled and exited by whatever time you want. And then I choose 4:45 p.m. What's better about NinjaTrader than TOS? Well, the difference for me is that I can't use an automated system on TOS, like, at all. So that's the biggest thing. I still use TD Ameritrade, but I really don't use it as much. I've started charting on NinjaTrader because I'm using NinjaTrader all the time, that I just find it easier. Instead of having two platforms up, I'm just charting in NinjaTrader. And NinjaTrader is super versatile and super customizable. Like, you can put pictures in the back. And look at this RTY trade. Our break-even offset was way too close. You can put pictures. You can make everything whatever color you want. I know some people don't care about that, but I like it. I don't know. I went in with a 5K account on a 200 margin and got wiped. Yeah, I don't know. This is why when people join my group, I tell them to slow the F down and to just take their time and not do crazy things. But, you know, people do what they want to do and then they lose and then they're like, oh, well, I learned a lesson. And I'm like, cool, but money doesn't grow on trees. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. So trading, if you're talking, I think he was just talking about the platforms though, but if you're trading futures on TD Ameritrade, you're paying a lot more in fees. You're paying around $7.50 round trip, where I pay like $4 round trip. And then on top of that, you have to have so much more margin to trade on TD than you do if you're on a futures broker. So a futures broker is only specialized in futures, where they're going to give you more of a benefit because they're only specializing to futures traders. So taking one contract of the NQ on NinjaTrader is $1,000. Taking one contract of the NQ on TD during the day from like 9 to 4 is still like $9,000. And then at night, it's like $15,000. But here, it's $1,000 the entire day. The entire day. Well, yeah, ICE, it wouldn't work anyway, because to use my system, you have to have at least $3,000 in your account. The NinjaTrader platform, they have 3 levels. So there's a free, but the free doesn't work with the algorithm. Then there's a lease, so you can lease the NinjaTrader platform for $70 a month. And then there's the lifetime. So you don't have to get the lifetime. The chop zone is a proprietary zone that I create and post every day for my members by 8 a.m. and they use it to trade. So they got short here at the bottom of the chop zone, 11,674. It dropped to the LIS. I also give them this yellow level every single day, a proprietary level. It pulled back up. We dropped again. Hit this level. We pulled back up to the LIS, dropped again, pulled up to this level, dropped. Deposit then drop to zero for the broker's. Yeah, I don't know. TEJ, you keep saying the same thing over and over, but it's not making any sense to any of us. So we should probably just move on from that conversation that happened with somebody you were with in your past, and we don't get it. Oh, you're meaning they got like a lower commission because they lost money? Yeah, most brokers are not going to do that. Yeah, I don't tell you how I find the chop zone. It's proprietary to my group, and that's it. If you want to get on my lives every day, you can see what it is after the part. But, yeah. The LIS is the line in the sand. Again, this is proprietary. You won't find it anywhere. Even if you Google like crazy, you won't. This is proprietary. You won't find it anywhere, even if you try to Google. So I'm here every day from 9:15 to 10:30, so I'm about to get off of here. A really slow morning in regards to the algorithm, which is not likely. So we'll see what happens later in the day. I'll post on my story on TikTok. I'll post on my Instagram story. So make sure you check those out. Please follow and tap this video. Tyler, you can just email me. I will answer all of the questions you have. I promise. Again, this is given to my group every day, this level. This is given to my group every day. Both of them by 8 a.m. My members utilize them on top of having the automated algorithm trade for them. So you don't have to manually trade at all, but if you know how to manually trade and you want to, you have some really great things at your disposal. And we give manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every single day. I don't know, Tyler. That has nothing to do. Like, what? All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for joining. All right, YouTube. I will see you tomorrow at 9:15. Early. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining. And I will see you tomorrow.